This is my portfolio as of Thursday before the market opens. I want to inform everyone that I sold Zeta on Wednesday. So now my portfolio has only 6 stocks after I sold Zeta. The price that I sold it off was around $27. Actually, the target price for the top analyst is $34. But I made a choice of following the analyst Ronald Josey from Citi. His price target is $26. So I tend to follow analysts whose company names I'm familiar with, one of which is Citi and also Goldman Sachs. But between Citi and Goldman Sachs, the rating of the analysts differs. Goldman Sachs analyst has a rating of 2 stars, whereas Citi's Ronald Josey is 4 stars. So I made the decision of setting the price target of $36. And the price of Zeta went up to $28, and it came down a bit to $27. That's the time when I sold it. Okay, so these are transactions that I pulled out from my broker. I bought Zeta on the 30th of June at the price of $19.61. Number of shares that I bought was 5.1 something. And then I sold it off on the 5th of August at the price of $27.89. When we look at this spreadsheet, the price was from $19.61, and I sold it off at $27.89, and I made a gain of around $42, which is a 42% gain. And so it was a good trade. So if we look at my portfolio, now I have 6, which is Vertiv, Credo, ASML, Devon, Avgo, and NVIDIA. And my cash is $400 plus the gain that I made. So I will still have the opportunity to buy 4 more stocks.